Alright, this is Jeep Renegade 2016. Alright, to this task we will be replacing the thermostat on this vehicle. Alright, to get into the thermostat we're going to remove the cover here, and I think we'll just go ahead and remove the battery from here, so it will give us more room to access the thermostat housing that's underneath there. Okay. Alright, got the cover off. On the positive side, then we're gonna have to remove this nut right here, and also this one right here. Okay. Alright, now that the battery is out, we have a better access on the thermostat already. That gave us a lot of room to work on the thermostat. Okay. Alright, as you can see, we put a hose clamps on the radiator hose to minimize the coolant coming out from those hoses. Okay, so now we're ready to work on the thermostat housing, right there. I'm going to start disconnecting the hose. Okay. Alright, get the electrical harness out. Now I'm ready to pull the hose. I'm going to start with the one on the top. Okay. There you go. One out. Now work on the one on the bottom. It's got all these weird clamps, original clamps are still there. And so I will have to use a flat screwdriver to pry the clamps out to loosen it. Okay. Alright guys, I finally got the last bolt from behind it. It's really hard. It's taking me probably 30-45 minutes. Alright, so now I'm ready to pull this thing out. Alright guys, I'm ready to pull this thermostat housing out. There you go. Whew.